Hey everyone, don't mind my little welt. My husband goes a little static guard crazy and I'm allergic to it. So I just wanted to tell you about this product that I stumbled upon, researching about how to do your eyelash extensions yourself, even though I do them on my own for others. Times are tough right now. There's COVID-19 going on. A lot of people are quarantined, or actually we're all quarantined. Salons have, shut down. People can't afford it, myself being included. I got laid off from my full-time job. So researching this, I stumbled upon, I know Lashify does it. I've known it for a while, but you have to pay $199 or something like that. But ta-da! KISS came out with Falscara, which is, I don't even know, a third of the price. It's literally, I want to say I paid on through Ulta $19.99. I also bought it comes in a starter kit. Sorry, I took it out and did it already. But it comes with, the little tweezers, the little, mascara bonding and sealing, and obviously the lashes. So I also bought separate lashes for when these fall out, to do it again on my own. Some are lifting, some are volumizing. These actually come lengthening, and I am actually amazed. My God, I am amazed at the results, beyond. And I heard that these, stay up to 2 weeks. I hope that's true, because that's how long I'm quarantined for. So I guess, sleeping like this, I'll know, because with my other false lashes, they would just fall off all the time. These come in a strip of, I want to say I don't even know how the length of it. So it's about that long, and there's probably about 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. I actually cut, because I did 1, 2, 3, 4, but I, this one went in too far towards this way, so I actually cut one of the lashes in half to place it, right there, so it doesn't look so bald. But these are pretty amazing. I'm so wowed by such a cheap product. I mean, I do like KISS. I used to use the strips. I've used them when I do makeup on myself, when I don't pay for false lashes, which can run you a pretty penny, $189.99 a month for 2-week fill-ins. So that's twice, 90 something a month, 90 times 2 a month. Bless you, my little baby. But yeah, so these are really cool. All you do is, so you get the materials that I showed you. All you do is you peel. I should have made a tutorial while I was doing it, but I was afraid that I would mess up too much. But I literally did not. I literally did this in 10 minutes. So you put the bonding seal on, just like you're doing mascara. Then you peel. The eyelashes come on this little thing, so it'd be like this. And you literally take the lash, place it, and it literally sticks like that. And then you can, clamp it so it stays more than you want it to, but or replace it. But the bonding seal is so strong that you should clean this a little bit. You can use rubbing alcohol. I tried using makeup remover without oil, and it didn't really work. It's not coming off. You can still see the black residue. So I would suggest rubbing alcohol. I kept having to go like this to get the bond off because it was so strong. And you just do every individual, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after that, I would wait at least a minute, because I've watched another YouTuber and she kind of put the seal on too quickly, and a mascara, one of the lashes came off with it. But other than that, I think other than my face being all messed up, but I think they're pretty cool. I think they actually I don't know, $20 compared to and it took me 10 minutes. And I know, like, yeah, a lot of people like to go get like pampered, but for compared to like $20 for literally 10 minutes compared to 90 something dollars for an hour under like sleeping like you know, like that, I can't compare. I would not probably go get my lashes done again. But anyway, so that's just my little review on Falscara by KISS. If you like my video, which I hope you do, I know it's very, you know, look at myself. I don't have any makeup on or anything. I'm just, you know, regular me. There's my little baby. I have to go take care of her right now because she's hungry. But like below, subscribe, leave me comments. Please don't comment about my static guard allergy. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. Bye.